Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how you can build successful online business using affiliate marketing with Shopify. I'm going to provide an in-depth look at the Shopify Affiliates program, which is one of the best ways, in my opinion, to earn over $150 every single day in commissions. You can do this simply by referring people to use Shopify for their online store. So most people are familiar with Shopify. It's hands down the most popular and powerful e-commerce platform available today. It powers over 1 million online stores from huge brands like Tesla all the way down to simple boutique shops and individual sellers. Now, their affiliates program is run through ShareASale, which is a well-known and respected affiliate network. And the way we create our own account is first you'll want to go to ShareASale.com and create your free affiliate account. Make sure to have a website set up before applying to any programs. And once your account is set up, you can search for Shopify and submit an application to join as an affiliate. Once you get approved, you'll gain access to your unique trackable affiliate links. You'll also get access to their product images, logos, promo materials, and even ads through your affiliate dashboard. After that, it's time to drive traffic by promoting Shopify however you can. The most popular methods are social media, SEO, videos, email marketing, paid ads, and much more. Whenever someone clicks your special Shopify link and signs up for a paid Shopify subscription, you will then earn a commission. It records all the sales in your affiliate dashboard and sends you earnings to your payment method each month. It's a very easy, pure, passive income source. Here is how the Shopify commission rates work. You get $58 for each new basic Shopify plan subscriber. You can get up to $2,000 for referring high-volume merchants doing over $40,000 per month. So if you refer someone and they grow their shop immensely, you will also be benefiting so much from that. You can get up to $500 commission for Shopify POS referrals, their point of sale product. And as you can see, even if you only get a couple sales per day, that's more than $100 in hands-off commissions. But with the right marketing and effort, plus patience of course, you could easily see numerous of sales every single day, which can turn into serious income. We see it all over YouTube and social media that some affiliates even do over $10,000 per month thanks to big bonuses or even high-priced referrals. So now we're gonna discuss some of the highest potential proven strategies to promote Shopify and drive referrals. Since it's an e-commerce platform, you'll want to target people interested in starting or growing an online business selling products, courses, and so on. We have the content marketing strategy. This is done through Shopify reviews as you share your personal experience using Shopify, pros and cons, is it worth it? These usually rank high in Google. You can also use tutorials as in how to set up a Shopify store, add products, customize the themes. You basically teach people step by step what and how they should do things, and you include your referral links in these videos' descriptions and so on. You can create versus comparisons such as Shopify versus other e-commerce platforms, comparing prices, features, ease of use, and all of that stuff. And lastly, you can make case studies as you share success stories of real brands using Shopify and results that they got. We also have the paid advertising method. You can use Facebook ads, target interests like e-commerce, online business, web development, etc. Or maybe Google ads as you target keywords like best e-commerce platform, or start dropshipping now. Another amazing platform is Pinterest promotions. You can pitch Shopify to the large audience interested in e-commerce. And finally, we have building an email list. You can create a lead magnet like a free course or an ebook or a checklist around e-commerce. Or you can offer it in exchange for their email and then pitch Shopify as the perfect platform. So in summary, there are endless possibilities for promoting Shopify as an affiliate. It really only takes creativity and targeting the right audience with valuable content and offers. I hope that this video gave you a good overview of how to make money with Shopify affiliate marketing. This obviously takes consistency and persistence. Use the traffic and promotion ideas I mentioned in this video to come up with your own tailored strategy. Even if you start with just 30 minutes a day, you can build organic search traffic and social media followers over time. And before you know it, sales will be rolling in on autopilot. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable to watch, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos that we make.